Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest offering from Tecno in India, the Tecno Camon iClick. So this is a selfie centric smartphone from Tecno, and it's called the Camon iClick, and this comes with a 20 megapixel selfie camera, full view display, and a really good hardware as well. So in this video, let's get started with unboxing. We'll show you this device, we'll talk about the specifications and also what's all inside the box. So this is the box packing of the Tecno Camon iClick. So you can see a Tecno full view display, 20 megapixel selfie camera, 16 megapixel rear camera, and we get 100 days replacement and one-time screen replacement and 1 month extended warranty from Tecno. That's something good. So that's the features. Now looking at the device, you can see at the back panel 20 megapixel front camera with a dual selfie flash, and the selfie camera is f-stop 2.0 aperture. It also has a 16 megapixel back camera with quad flash, and this is f-stop 1.8 aperture, and this also comes with AI enabled features, and it also has a 6-inch full view HD plus resolution display, that's 1440 by 720p display. It has 2.5D glass as well. Now it also comes with a 64GB storage, 4GB RAM, dual VoLTE support, and a 3750 mAh battery, fingerprint scanner, Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. And this device is powered by the Helio P23 octa-core chipset, and as I said before, it has 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. So you can see here everything mentioned here: 2GHz Helio P23 octa-core chipset, 20 megapixel front camera, and the sensors included: G sensor, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and fingerprint scanner is included. So that's the box packing, and the device is priced 13,999. That's the official pricing of this device. The box packing mentions 14,990, but the official pricing is 13,990. That's the pricing. The 14K is the pricing of this device. So let's get started with unboxing. So there you go. So opening up, you get the Tecno Camon iClick on the top. So let's just peel off the stickers. So there you go, and the back stickers as well. So this is the Tecno Camon iClick. So build quality wise looks good. The design also feels quite solid. You can see the curved edges. The antenna lines are made really well with implementing towards the edges, so that looks pretty good. It has a single 16 megapixel camera, quad LED flash, and we have the fingerprint scanner and the Tecno branding. So build quality wise it feels solid and feels good in hands, and we have a 6-inch HD plus resolution display, and we have a 20 megapixel selfie camera, and we have a dual LED flash as well for the front camera. So that's the feature. So let's boot the device, and in the meantime let's see what all comes inside the box. So opening up, let's see what comes inside. So there you go, we have a key back cover included with this device, so that's quite good quality case, and we have a screen protector included. Then we have the warranty information, so 12 plus 1 month warranty, that's the highlight, and the user manual is also included. So that's all with this thing, and we have the charging adapter here. This is the adapter. Voltage rating is at 5 volt 2 amperes, so standard charging, and we get earphone also included. So let's just open the earphone and see the quality. So there you go, that's the earphone included. It looks quite good in terms of build quality. You also get additional ear cups here, so this is also included here. Then we also get the standard micro USB cable for data syncing and charging. So that's all inside the box. Let's see the device now. So now we have booted the device. So this is the Tecno Camon iClick, and this has HiOS, that's the custom UI which runs on almost all of the Tecno devices. So let's go to the settings panel and see what all it offers. So this is the UI. It has an app drawer actually, so let's go to the settings and see. So this is more or less like a custom UI. We have some additional options as well. So you can see there is support for themes and micro intelligence is something like double tap to broadcast, music gestures, take screenshot with 3 fingers. So some additional options are included. Now going to the system UI, you can see 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, 2.0 GHz octa-core chipset, 3750 mAh battery, Android Oreo out of the box, 20 and 16 megapixel cameras as well. So iOS version is 3.3, and we have Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. So that's the Android version. So that's the Tecno Camon iClick, and let's see the camera. So that's one of the highlights of this device. So this has a selfie camera which is really good, a 20 megapixel shooter and a 16 megapixel rear camera with f-stop 1.8 aperture. That's something pretty good for a phone in this price segment. So let's see how good the camera interface is. So the modes include a video normal mode, then panorama, then super pixel is also included. So let's see the normal options. So you can see some of the options included. So these are the options in the settings. So you can see here HDR mode is included. So those are the options. So we'll just take some captures using this device and see how good the experience is. So there you go. So that was a capture we are taken with the Tecno Camon iClick. So looks quite good. So here are some of the samples we are taken with this device after unboxing the device. So this device is selfie centric smartphone and looks quite good in terms of selfie performance as well. So we'll talk about in-depth camera in our detailed review as well. So the phone also comes with 3750 mAh capacity battery that should be quite good enough for more than a day of usage. So overall this device packs pretty good hardware, and Tecno being a brand which is available offline as well. So Tecno is a brand unlike other smartphones which are online only, this is available offline only. So that's another additional feature of this device. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Tecno Camon iClick with full view display, 20 megapixel selfie camera and Helio P23 octa-core chipset. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.